In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and pay 1688 suppliers with Alipay Tourpass. By the end, you'll know how to create your accounts, vet suppliers, place an order, and get your products shipped internationally with confidence. Start by heading to 1688.com. Click register, then sign up using either your email or a mobile number. You'll receive a one-time code to verify the account. I recommend using Google Chrome and turning on Translate to English so the interface and product pages are easier to navigate. It won't be perfect, but it's good enough to get the job done. Next, set up Alipay, because all 1688 payments flow through it. The easiest route is Alipay International, often referred to as Tourpass. Create an account, verify with your passport or government ID and a phone number, then link a credit or debit card. This lets you pay in your local currency while Alipay handles conversion. There's also mainland Alipay, but it's harder to verify and really only makes sense if you already have China-specific documents. Once verified, you can log into 1688 using your Alipay credentials for a smooth checkout. Because most sellers ship within China only, you'll need a freight forwarder with a warehouse address in China. Your forwarder will give you a Chinese name, address, phone number, and a warehouse or customer code. Keep that code handy. It's essential for sorting and should be included precisely in your address details. Now find products on 1688. Use English keywords in the search bar. They usually work. Filter results to show factories, sellers with at least 2 years on the platform, and high transaction volumes. Open listings that match your needs and review the details carefully, including minimum order quantities and available variants. Before you buy, check supplier credibility. Look for a visible business license, a gold supplier badge, strong repeat buyer numbers, and real factory photos. Avoid shops with 0 transactions or that are very new. Use the site's chat to message suppliers. Ask about stock availability, the minimum order quantity, customization options, and the domestic shipping fee to your warehouse address. Simple English or auto translation works fine. Just be clear and confirm they can include your warehouse code on the label. Add your shipping address under account, then address. Paste your forwarder's China address exactly as provided and double check the phone number and code before saving. Place your order by clicking buy now, selecting quantity and any color or size options, then choose Alipay for payment. Complete the payment and the seller will ship to your warehouse. Finally, your forwarder will notify you when the package arrives. Pay international shipping, choose air for speed or sea for cost savings, and track your shipment until it's delivered to your door.